Got this small package from Amazon, and the name of this package is My Chemistry Lab. In this My Chemistry Lab, there are a few glass apparatus and a small few chemicals are there which we can get in our kitchen also, like vinegar, baking soda, all that we can get, and we can teach our children about the chemical properties, separation methods. So we can go beyond textbook and teach a lot. So let us see what is there inside this box now. Let us unbox this. Plastic should be discarded properly. So we have a discarding bin over here, so that the environment is not degraded. And here we go, a nice box with a user manual in which nice experiments are given. And see what are the different experiments which we can do. We can show students about the physical states of matter. We can show the reaction between baking soda and citric acid. We can show volcanic eruptions. We can show miscibility of liquids. We can show salt and pepper trick. We can show milky, whirlpool. Then we can teach them about osmosis, then capillary action and temperature forces like underground flame, balloon magic. So like this, many scientific concepts are given in a very nice way. Like what is matter, what are physical states, what is chemical composition. So I will be dealing with each of these one by one, and I will be showing you the experiments. And it's not that whatever is there in this only that much I will do, but these are the basic things which is there. Little bit of citric acid is there, little bit of baking soda is there, a safety goggles is there. Let me check its quality. Yes, it is quite flexible, so it is not going to hurt anybody's eye. Nice. And the glass apparatuses are there. A Teflon funnel is there. Then a small beaker is there. A bigger beaker is there. This is of 100 ml. This is of 20 ml. So we can do some measurements too. Then very nicely packed. There's nothing inside this. They could have put some kind of apparatus over here also, which they have not done. It is blank. So this is the drawback of this product. They could have put something over here. So this mere wastage of space. There are a few balloons with which we can show the collection of gas-based experiments. Globes are there. Now say if I had to buy all these things from the market, this would have cost 10 rupees. This would have costed 20 rupees. This is simple color only. And these spoons we can get from ice cream shop. This I can get from any stationery shop. So we can make this kind of setup at our home only. So the attractiveness of the package, that is worth, but the material which is given here is not worth its price. But then out of the pressure of being self-reliant during this stay home and teach effectively, teachers may think of purchasing this. But if you go by my suggestion, these things are available in the open market also, and you can get, for this price we can get more number of things if we don't go for this attractive package. If you will see that conical flask is shown, then burette clamp is shown in the picture, but actually it is not available in the packet. This is actually a misuse of advertisement and visuals shown to us. Round bottom flask is shown, but there is no round bottom flask. Test tubes are shown, but test tubes are not there. But air is there inside the packet. So instead of this air, they could have filled up some glass apparatus. So with this video, I request Amazon also to reconsider the price of the product, because this is, I think, not worth. So I will not waste my time in going to consumer forum for this small amount of money, but I seriously don't recommend any teacher to buy this, because it actually contains nothing other than certain graphics on the packet, and there is nothing so very great. All these things are available in the kitchen also. It's baking soda and citric acid. All these things are available in kitchen also. So I don't think it was worth. But still, okay, fine. Looks good. Looks good to just click a picture and make a thumbnail in your YouTube video. That's worth.